Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Bolt promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my Bolt order, completely free. If you're looking for the latest Bolt promo code, Bolt discount code, or Bolt coupon, make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So, how do you get it? It's very simple. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, it works the same way. Next, go to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type in Bolt. Click on the Bolt result, scroll down the page, and you'll see a list of available Bolt promo codes. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Keep in mind that these promo codes are limited and in high demand. You'll need to unlock your personal Bolt promo code so no one else can use it before you do. If you want the exact link and step-by-step instructions, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained everything there so you can quickly and easily get your Bolt promo code and start saving money today.